How about you come snuggle with your wife? That's the bar.
I was gonna come over here, but I was no thanks.
Pretty colors.
Whoa.
Had a little one. It was a quickie.
I know what those are.
What I love
No, you don't.
Oh, true enough. A quickie is usually about an hour.
Go talk to Mark.
Nothing. I didn't say anything. I laughed. Knock it off.
Am I allowed to go in there for a little bit?
Excuse me.
You stay back here.
Where's James ladder? I do. Okay.
Well,
I like this video because it's showing up over there too.
that you'll lose something.
I can't see it.
Well,
Oh, there's a
the
button.
fact that I take.
I've cinched my hands a couple times.
Oh yeah, I should tell.
We're taking the Omnipore.
Yeah, I got
Well,
it.
We only had a
This
couple
time of
minutes
year,
before we had to
honestly,
leave.
so much of it.